Listen to me. Don't play with me, you know. Like the video. May I wait? You like it? Alright. Like. Comment. Some positive too. Alright. But hold on there. You don't subscribe it. Subscribe, man. May I wait? See, I'm patient? Alright. You done? Hit that notification bell to get notified every time we post. We love you. Bye. Up above the world so high, like a diamond. Ooh, please awake. Soon take out your misery, yeah?
You're not too late. You're not too late for your stop. You can't bring you in and make you get somebody and make them get help for you. You need help. You need to talk to somebody. Like, we don't know what really go down in your past or whatever. But you need
shut up. You don't know nothing about me. You really need to shut up. Brother.
You're sick. You need help. Tina, you need to get help. You're not going to get away with this. Me, I tell us you're not going to get away with this.
Shut up, shut up. Help. Meaning help. And you need help and stay you in a room. Come like I can't see.
You just, we can't even imagine the amount of turmoil we are going inside of your head right now. And you are refused to get help, just going to make it worse.
Boy, man, you know, I feel like we get electrocuted while wet. Alright, so. I'm gonna try to experiment. Let me show you what her might be.
Ah, girl, how you do? Yo, move fast.
Yo, brother, regular you come to man and tell man go nothing no go on in a brother. All the while you do this in a bad man. I mean I tell her say yo, you see if I need one thing, as a big man just rinse it in a, yo, you make man a pre some way in hell.
Virgin, me no make no money, what you have me to do now? No money no make, man.
Say yo man yo. You know say all the while you do this thing big man a pre certain way right now. Cause me I tell her the truth in her. You know say yo man no rich in a virgin as a man, you know. Me nah no money, you know. Also me I try also my thing, you know. Alright now you make man pre some way, you know. To do all some things.
Yes sir, yeah. Me no like how you behave, man. Too little time me nothing no move, you behave so man. Oh man, you don't have to behave so brother.
Cause you don't even know say me
Yo,
man go empty me clip in your face and a response what me in a big man. I tell her the truth, you know.
Whip.
As a virgin, you know. That's so
Whip.
nice, man, yeah. Yo, mama. Oh, yeah man, me there man, come on peel. Yo, brother. I bet you go on where you go in a big man. I tell you the truth in a big
You
man.
have to go and say no,
I bet you go on where you go. Yo,
You
man,
have to go on
if you
like
just
that,
go on
right,
where you go, big man.
easy.
So you say you need no more, why pray?
No, say I'm right thing me come for do.
Don't know say a 50 grand you know more.
Wait. The regular customer, you can't do me look better.
Don't know say you can't take nothing off like business or business, you know. You know it's risky, you know. Don't know, you know. If police catch me with this and how much money, you know, long more that I have to spend in a prison same way for this. I have to know where business going, you know. You see me? So a 50 grand take you or leave you, you know, this side there, you know.
Alright, give me 15 ounce. Same like you last time.
Alright, I'll go for your stuff. Don't. Yo, crazy. Yeah, man. You know, I said that me there chill dog and if he come check me till they come buy sitting off of me dog. But I see him be here, say I mash up down so you know dog. Yeah, man, you see him be there, we want it for about 6 or 7 murder boy, and police boy, they want her for dog. She a mash up the place in the dog. Yeah, man. Right now, dog, I don't think she want but that girl let me place in the dog more. I make the dog there know a thing going on, brother. Because God knows, you know, brother, the woman is normal, you know, dog, I tell her, you know. And she a mash up the whole over, so, you know, brother, you know, I look at she.
Yeah, I go an idea, you know, in a place, yeah. John, no star. I can go and for me an idea. Lighter, yeah. Yeah, biscuit sweet there. Yeah. Yeah, man, everything there. Yeah. Yeah. I come like say what I'm sardine and God, I was see it on so I drop it jack down I walk. Yeah, man, everything look like man can chop a food. Yeah, that's it.
I go and Tevin. So you look like you're happy. We're here about.
You know, there, man. There, I go and hold it, you know.
Come like I get some money, man, or something.
No, sorry, you know, say, I don't really not like that. But, don't know, say, I bring in one little gift for me in the morning, you know, so I feel good, you see me? Yeah, man, I buy a decent fridge, come drop in the house there.
Wow, things are going.
I will tell you, cool water, can't drink, can't do. I will tell you. I say, I heard,
anyway,
man, I say things set, you know.
Pepsi more, you know.
Yes, say hot or cold?
Come on, cold one.
Alright, so I go on.
How much is the feet again?
150.
$100 me have, you know.
150 for you, Joe, 7 on my friend. John, why not? So I deal with, you want me, you know. I really want you take care of the habit and you trust him for early morning, you know, you don't know, I ducks not broke yet, you see me?
Alright,
so,
sorry about that still.
Yeah, I see alright.
Alright, let me come back with some money, man.
Alright.
Just send it on.
Alright. You tell your boy, you come back with money, you come more a fool, you take man for. They sit down and do all the while, I come short my money, I come talk about look more. I come take man to idiot. I go on, you know, my dog.
Bad man want to tell us be a police dog, they say no bad boy.
Eh?
Tell the dog. Come like at the whole upper station up there, say brother. At first, I see too much police in that place, bad boy. Come like something going up there, say bad man. Shot fire? You ain't shot about the place?
You know, shot fire up the road.
Bad man, right now, I'm going easy back right there, you know, because I'm not going to say make them board and all and pull me, you know. See once me get all the new work right now, you know, I don't need no police, bad boy.
Don't worry, man. Yo, just go and block Sessa, man. Everything good, man. Yo, I just go to the career up the road, them go out and check someone up the road, you see me? Yeah, man, them soon clear off up them, man. Don't worry about them, man. Just go and hold the other, brother. You see me? So what you say I go on now? Me see you there on a new work.
I want to tell you, say, out from the hotel, me get a piece of work there, my brother, and thing I go on good, still in a bad man. You see, a piece of hustling can go on in a, you see? Yeah, man, people, them love half a weed up there, especially the white boy, them in the dog. Swear you out, a piece of food can make right now, is a link more right now, I can get eat some weed regular, you see me?
Yeah.
Right now, I did it so the thing take off my G.
Yes, brother, man. Then yo, you don't know what's right now, you link the right as a G. A right place to come, you know.
So yeah, say brother?
Yeah, man, a right place to come, G, man. A right place to come, right now, you link their foot. Any amount you want, any kind you want.
You have a link? What kind, yo, how the price them steak? Right now, I want a good pound and a half or so for bring in, brother.
Oh, yeah, so
What
man,
the
right
things
now we have a lemon kush, we have a pineapple kush, we have a regular herb, same way. We have all of them on different levels, you see it. But here, why pray now, in general, me have to go make a link, you see me, towards the pricing of rare and forget in the amount where you want, because you know really they are foot so like that, you see me?
Yo,
Yeah.
you know, sir, the lemon kush me hear the board them at talk about when I hotel the brother. Around when we could have come pick up back that?
Yo, you could have get piece, you know. Yeah man, you can get piece by a little more.
Pound and a half, how much is that?
You want no, pound and a half, because run out about, pound and a half, I run out about 250,000.
Alright then.
The pound and a half.
Simple match that man, you can make back that man.
By 5 o'clock.
Alright.
Just come check me by 5 o'clock. I make a phone call right now, I make a dog drop you on my foot here.
Alright then, it's a couple hours from now.
By
you see?
5 o'clock man, that at least.
Yo, cuz.
That's guidance and protection. I right place, G.
Alright, you see how old man, you know say I'm a general, you know.
Yo. How you have come man? Remember say boy then you out there, you know man. But I go too fast, brother. Go and humble man.
Yo.
Man, we are doing
Nah. Look at them gun, man. Look at them cut, man. I go for that thing there, you see me?
Alright.
Go for a piece of brick and come back. Remember you said 5 o'clock, you
Yeah
know?
man, by 5 o'clock man, how are you man?
See how
By
old
5
man.
o'clock me J man.
Oh, hello. I didn't realize someone was around there.
Yeah man, me there man.
Can you sell me a bottle of water?
It's a hot or cold?
Room temperature.
Room temperature. Miss, you're not from around here.
I'm actually from around here, but I flew out when I was like 8. So I'm just coming back. But I like your shirt. Are you from around
Come
here?
on, thank you. Yeah, I'm from here now. Right here, right over there somewhere live. Yeah man, we just operate in the shop, so you know. Yeah man.
Oh, so you managed to all this by yourself? Like, don't you have a girlfriend or someone that helps you with all this? Because this looks like a lot of work.
Yeah man, I have a girlfriend man. And I tell her, say, as I mentioned girlfriend, I tell her right now, I don't know what would I do without her. Yeah, because I tell her say, right now she mean real to me, my friend. Yeah man. But you want now, you see shop partner really hard for run. Yeah, the partner really hard for run. We just buy the stock of we buy and put in back of we put in. And you know what I mean? Make sure so we don't dash a little profit, you know? Yeah man.
So, like, I really love and care for your girlfriend. Oh, right over there, says you live, right?
Yeah man.
So, y'all don't live because I don't really see nobody come down here.
Yeah man, you know my girlfriend don't really live here. No, she just come and go. You know what I mean? But you don't know she there most high times. But based on work, you know? Yeah, she have to dip on the outskirts.
So when she gone, you know, me sorry, you know, feel lonely. Like, the house not lonely, you know, and little company.
Yeah man, you don't know saying as man little feelings have to take away and all them things, you know, but you want now. When time I feel them feelings, I just video call her, you know, or I text her, you know. And so we just link wire the same way. You understand? Yeah man, and just make everything run normal. So anyway, I never get your name, miss.
Oh, sorry, my bad. My name is Tina. But I didn't get yours either. What's yours?
Yeah, Kevin my name man, Kevin. Or you can just call me Kev. So anyway, Miss Tina, you want anything more in our shop? Is there anything more there what you want?
Mr. Kev? If I tell you what I want, it wouldn't be nice because from what you're saying, it look like somebody have it locked already, or should I say under control.
Well, you know, say, me not, me I try get, you know, say me I try understand. Me not really understand what you say. Serious for me.
Well, let me give you my glasses because clearly you can't see what I'm trying to say here. Kev, is it Kev, right?
Right.
Kev, from coming here, I can't stop but admire you. And we start to tell a string of plates, or you me want.
Alright, I tell you, Tina, you see them was right? Jano, Tina, me I tell you, so no, you're nice and all that. There's no disrespect to you. Yeah, because you're looking awesome, but yeah, I have my girlfriend. And I tell you the truth, I not really have a disrespect her, you know what I mean?
Okay, Mr. Kev, I heard you loud and clear. But in case a girlfriend forget what she has, then, you know, I'm here. But I can assure you, this won't be the last time you see me. Girlfriend or not, me, I forget the boy. Look at me, I'm going to talk about girlfriend. Girlfriend or not, me, I forget the boy.
Oh, my phone. That's my phone, man. That's I want to let me left you over yard, man. Okay, you know, so now I forgot for you. Oh, yeah, something left it. To that. But that's one time I'm gonna call her, man. I'm have to hurry up and call her back right now. Nah, man, I left the phone over the yard, yeah. Out of the shop, me reach and by me reach out there, me did a little time, I realize I don't see the phone, so I start look now and me look over the whole place and I never see it. So me just say me I take time and walk come over here, come look where I go on if over here me left it. So when me see them, me call them, and that's why I say me have to shout you back. Yeah? Nah, man, me wish woman. Nah, be man, no bother with them thing there, man. No bother with them thing there, man. Which woman you talk about, man? I tell you, say over the shop, I walk go. Woman over there. Say, me there, woman over there. Yo, no bother with them foolishness, man. No bother with them thing, man. And then sit there, me can't deal with the thing, you know. Yeah. Nah, man, no bother with them thing, man. You see why you push off for me, you know. Over foolishness. I mean, I tell you, say, I left the phone over here. Eh. Yo, you want no. No bother with them thing, man. A joke thing you depend, you know, man. Because right now my head kind of hard for a morning thing, you know. You come with them advice for me, you know. A different thing you depend. I not really depend on vibes, you know. Hello? Hello? So I wish you to hang up for me. So all them are sitting here, know me, I tell you, you know. All them are sitting here, know me, I tell you, you know. You see all them are vibe, you know. That's it. My friend, you could have killed me.
You know, I don't know what come over me a while ago, but what happened a while ago definitely wasn't me. So I think we should like forget about that and let's have a drink.
Listen, I must have to tell you the honest truth, I don't really drink.
Really? Like, come on. I never come good a while ago and right now I feel like it. I come back now I can get like a next chance. I give a next impression. I just want to drink. Obviously, you're in a good mood, so just take a drink. I just want to drink. Come on. I try to redeem myself from the whatever I just say a while ago. I just one drink now kill you.
Yeah, you can't have a one drink still, yeah? You can't have a one drink. I know him feel too hot still for real, so that would have can help to cool me off.
Yay, that is great. I don't know what you guys drink, but ooh, I see tequila. Give me some more tequila.
So you say I chase it with an miss?
Nope, on the rocks.
Rocks, alright. Why may I tell you some friend? Trust me, I'm glad you kinda come down on a level, you know. Because boy, I told you come in for me not too long, I swear say I get timid.
You know what I'm saying? I down there and I was like, he must have wonder how just come on pan him so.
Yeah, I'm serious say you up to something.
That's not me. If you will go to somebody and tell somebody, say, me come down here and talk like that or act like that, straight, then what I tell you to stay alive because that's just a God. That's literally not me.
Right. Yeah, but I'm happy to know say, you know, you change up the vibe and thing because right now I tell you the truth, I have one woman there and she is not too good, so I can't do take her no problem, you understand? My woman nice, you know. Best, you know, but yes, when it comes down to the woman part, I cheap out. Yes, I'm not really run and joke there. You understand? Yeah. So I say I go on, Miss Tina. Where you go hard, man? You can't make a show me up, so man. Then I have to take one shot, to man. Where you go hard, man? I cannot take a shot. Nah, cut your door, you know. But as I mentioned, high school. But they ever tell you say you look really, really young.
Yeah. Hear that all the time, but don't interrupt me. As I was saying,
Alright, sorry.
exam and go drink like with smoke, with drinks. You know this is going from long time. Now I'm gonna drink and talk about boys. And up to today day, everybody feels so we're seeing like nobody at all. I mean like literally nobody found out about anything.
Yeah man, watch out now, I give you our next instance though. You know say I go to school in a year what we do. Save up the lunch money, you know. And decide say you know so we not go to school today. So here we buy the entire Appleton, a big buckle them. Yeah man, we buy one big buckle of Appleton, you know, one big buckle of Pepsi though. Yeah man, I tell you so what, we turn around a yard back you know, and say I drinking for the day, you know. Half day with the round there, you know, every man junk, you know. I live across the road and I can't go over my yard, you know, not even my bicycle or my ride come over there, I couldn't take up, you know. Yeah man, and I saw my granny come catch me over there, you know. Junk like a bat, pay bad out me, of course. Take me up and carry me go over yard, what lick me get. I tell my friend I'm not normal. I get licks until I wake. From that day I never junk again. God no. But we got to it man. Well, my friend, you see, you come in and say one, and me I end up say one drink, and see it there, and one drink left in there, you know.
I tell you, so sometimes fly when I have fun. But we can't share that, because I want drink, right? So yeah, we can share that, but one trace at this time.
Are you yourself on the rocks? So, right, like it I get to you now. Alright, my friend, don't worry yourself. what you say? What kind of chase you want?
Orange juice. Come like this, I'm gonna lie with steel. Could you want to drink, all the time I can't go wash you. No, sir.
Stay in here, you know, someone go hold a quick leak and come back.
Pour the juice before you leave.
Alright. That's alright.
Yeah.
Here you go. Soon come back. Yeah? Yeah,
So,
I'm feeling relieved.
I saw your brother long.
Yeah,
You know
man.
how long you gone?
It's not really long, you know. But you have now, you know, so we have to leave for there and drink, you know. So.
Drink you one juice, man. I'll hurry up.
And it tastes different. You know. So, yeah, it is that. Oh, Mr. Afi, so good. I don't want me drinking ice on my face. I want to feel someone me feel weak and free. Yo, our girl, how we putting a drink, give me? Eh? How we put? Help! Somebody help me! Help!
No, you're still alright.
So my girl, what you do to me? Just, what me there now? So my girl, what you do this
Shut
for?
up, man.
Eh?
Shh.
You mean, what you do this for? Money you want or what? Eh?
Shush.
I'm
Stop it.
yeah, yo, if I'm money you want, just tell me, make me give you no man. You don't have to do me so. Eh?
Yeah. You're supposed to come home for half an hour. Tie you up. want to my time no full time. No, damn good.
Which part? Where am I there?
If you try to escape, no one will see you. If you try to scream, no one will hear you. If you escape, there will be serious consequence. Okay?
How am I there, you know, my girl? My girl, you know who you are dealing with, you know? You know who you are dealing with, you know? Yo, as a matter of fact, you hear all the bike them out there saying that me tell you far me there from the road, you know? You better take off all them off of me right now, you know? Go on about my business, you know? Because right now, you know, I'm getting mad in here, you know? Yo, my girl, you make me get mad in here, you know?
Then, brother, you're mad in a guan. You want to go anywhere you want to go, you're guan. Can come like something wrong with you? You can't see. You're blind? Look what I'm afraid for. You know what man would I want me right now? And you are going like you're idiot. From a come here, you're going like you're idiot, like you don't want nobody, but I have a girlfriend, bro. Shut up. Plus, you have a lot of words to your man will get tied up by a girl.
My girl, me I tell you, you know, what you do with no hurty, you know. So me I do, what you do no hurty right now, you know, foolishness you do, you know. So we say when you have me tell a person, nobody now come look for me. What you feel like, say, me not know one. Eh? But if police must have come look for me, you know, somebody must have come look for me, so you must know what you deal with. Yo, if I know money thing, man, yeah, what you do? Just tell me what I go and tell me what I do, make me do it. If I'm money you want, girl, just tell me you want me give you no man.
Bro, you not understand, No money at all. Not in this word there. Can, what should I say? Help me. Brother, it's like you don't understand. Are you me want? But everything I got alright. You see, if anybody that play stubborn, in the first place, more have been in a room. All of this are because I did not play stubborn. But don't worry. I have nothing for you, but most of all, you soon understand what we have when all of this over here. But most of all, we are good there.
My girl, you don't say you need help. Eh? You say something wrong with you. Eh? Imagine you have me as a tire, but you have me as a tire for. You know, say I tell you from you coming in the shop the first time, I kind of see say something wrong with you. Yeah, man, God know, I don't trust you from the first time you come in the shop, you know. Yo, you better let me go, you know. Just pull up your rope and let me go. Hey, here, I come like something wrong. You say you want to go to a doctor. You say something there.
Shut up!
What you mean for shut up?
What you say? Shut up!
Yo, you say you're getting crazy. You say you're crazy. Yo, you're a mad woman, you know.
You know, hear me say shut up. But want to go to a doctor. Want to go to a doctor where? Look how me a treat you good and you come talk about want to go to a doctor. And then say I'm get cross, you know, man. Don't, you better shut up and let me have to deal with it or come deal with the rest.
That's right, now I just show me tie up, make you can't tell me them I sitting there.
Tell me 5 o'clock. Dog, let me please. Tell me 5 o'clock. It's a far back 5 o'clock and him lock up. What the dog got, man? One left him there. The door open. Most of the girl him hungry. Hello, mommy. General sit over there?
No, you know, going up on the road, you know, saying going to make stock, you understand? So, you know, come up about 2 to 3 hours. You want to leave a message or something?
I know, says a little thing me and him for deal with still. I don't know if he tell you nothing still, but me for circling back from 5 o'clock, you see me?
No, sir, I never said nothing to me.
Alright, you know, 5 o'clock gone, I'm going to see the shop open, so I wonder him so forward back.
No, sir, I come back about 2 to 3 hours. Just have him to lock up the place. You understand?
Alright then, make a dog know some me circle. Yeah.
Alright, we make him know what I'm going.
Make some link with some man in the dog. Come like a joke thing that it's more a lame up man thing, brother. Me forget. Wait. I'm gonna see her. I'm gonna come to my shop today, yo. Mama. Look at it. Slimmers, now you see her come from my shop today?
Yeah, what happened? Who you?
You know, say I come from my shop today. I see her earlier. I say, yo, I see if I try to find out if I have a link to the shopkeeper. I say, if circling back, I'm go up there and the shop locked. I say, I want one kitty up there and I don't know, she tell me say I'm not dead it. And she lock up the place and then if I told me dress her or me look still, you see me about when I trust her style. I feel like judge she try to judge me. I want to know if you have a link to him. Right now, me and him have some serious business and it's urgent. So that me want to know if you have a link to him.
No, sir, I don't have no link for him. But I'm a G. But I don't know if I have no woman up there. But I'm going to pass up this trailer.
Alright, so thanks, yeah, mama. Thanks. Yo, dog. General, I know some just come up and shop on the shop lock, brother. Which part you there? Up in your yard.
I phone on the pan. Give me that.
Hello? Hello? Phone cut off. Call him back.
You knew not this, no?
I tell her, say, last son, I tell her about it, man. Yo, why she giving me away? Yeah, man.
So then stay, man.
If me have a next girl like that one, me run off and jump over one cliff, you know. You think I joke, man. You think I joke, brother, man.
I say, brother.
Hey, may I say the girl empty me house, you know.
Well,
Done everything in there, you know. Then him turn on, yes, hey, you think of that, you think of that. He empty house and gone with all I sit them. You don't know where he's gone with them.
bad woman.
When saying God, he girl turn around and burn up my clothes, you know.
Well, I'm going to worse than you, man. Can me get 2 penny one at a time, you enough for me, no, man. One enough for me. Yeah, man, truth, me tell you.
Yeah, no, where he said 1 out of 2.
The man say pregnant me, man, and me buy everything for him, man. Everything, you know, brother. Pyjama and really night clothes, baby clothes, everything. You see in the pit, man? Brother, one of them out there twin enough for me. You believe that, brother?
I want a wicked girl, that, brother. I want the wicked man. Yeah,
When
man.
me look on the tooth, me go hospital, go look in car, me say I'm pitney. When me go, me see him face screen drop, like him out to cry. So me say, man, I put them there. He can't answer. Me just walk out, you know, man. Not a word in English I get tell you, but watch you know. Better me dey take them too. Cause he go foreign, him mother da foreign, he go foreign, he come back. And the two pitney, I want to teach a girl, you know. The two pitney, one of them are accountants and one of them are nurse. Two better, you know. So better me dey take them. If me dey take them, whether they get nurse money and accountant money too.
Yeah,
you know
man. Yeah, man. I tell you, so they out there, my brother. They out there, man. They're terrible out there. Yeah, man. They're wicked for show, man.
Yeah, man, that's it.
Show, man. Right now, boy, I think to come more, you know. You know, the rum done, you know.
Now drink look more too, man.
I want to drink that for you right now, brother. I tell you. I want if you girl can give
Man, you must can get a choice from him. See if you can get a choice from him, man. Eh? Yes, man. From man, with the other drink, man, we must can get a choice.
What you mean, man? Yo, they have it from man for show, man. Yo, you call him if you get a choice, but this I done, you know.
How you mean?
When you want chase, brother.
Call him that, man, we get a choice, man. What do you?
Yeah.
Call him.
Sharpie. Sharpie.
Yo, I'm on.
Come in now.
Now come back, give me 2 minutes.
Alright, do your thing, we're there. Yeah, man, I wear answer, man. There, man, I go and hold it, see him here, man. Boy, I tell us I'm not pretty.
Yes, I want to know.
Well, go on.
That more here than you call me.
Well, there, I hold it, you know, everything good otherwise.
Yeah, man.
See, you look like you cook around there. Eh?
I'll cook around with that boil the water.
Man, you're bunny up, you know. But you look like you got fresh up door shop it. Fresh up on win idea, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I thought pan win idea. Anyway, you want now, no? You say, I flash I run out. And we are one team want flash from you.
Remember say, oh, me some money, you know.
Yeah, I know shopping, man. You know where you going, man. But you know, don't know where you go, man. They are flash from man. I run out of money still, you know. Yeah, man, they are flash from man, man. All the last time you run out of no all sitting there. So I say, well, I take it from you in the evening. God knows.
When you go give me a little something, you hold me.
Yeah, about Friday, you know.
But like I did say last time, I know. You forgot to. Eh?
Yeah, you know, say sometime money they not come in or want if you come in, you know. You understand? I just that I think, you know.
That's why you should give me at least $100, $200, no. You would have cut down, no? And see you walk on trust pan, you know, carry up higher. We're not going to get that little something, you know. That's me. I'll get a drink for you one, but not for your friend, no. I mean, I will trust you half you, no. I give you one drink for yourself. I mean, I trust you for your friend, but they can't get trust for you one, no.
You want me, you know, one thing can't share for me, for me and this man, I want to get a drink.
So I'm daughter. You don't drink liquor too?
If you got your bill high up, if you got that few bill head and fee, man, and you take long to pay. Remember, say year before last year, I owe me 6,000, and you intend to pay me. Every time you ask you, nothing not go on, and you know, said things slow, you find all type of excuse to give me, and you not even pay all 200, 500, not give me no money, no at all. So you not intend to say nothing, no? Because I not trust you nothing.
You drink, man. You pay you, man.
You're mad. A police me so called upon you.
No, man. Nobody with that, man. Nobody with that, man.
Yeah, nobody with that.
Yeah, but Shappy, you couldn't just come as someone and take one drink for my friend, man, one drink for myself, or buy one drink for myself, man, or trust you, I can't give my friend a drink, man. That alright, man, I not this my friend, man. I not this you, you know. So I deal with, nah, this you, man. If you can help you, man. Yeah, man, because you don't know where they are from, man, you know, we are drink, I just run out a little cash, you know. But it will go happen still, man. If I'm tomorrow morning, man. So I deal with, tomorrow morning we can't deal with it.
You don't know this man, you know? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Go up a top road there, man. Go trust out the whole of my friend, bar, man. You have all 9,000 bill up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. This man pile up your bill and can't let you walk away and laugh after you and go give young guys free money. You know what already me here saying get 25,000 and look to pay me and go give my girl around here so if you go suck off brace.
So Ella, and then something I go on with, man. Suck off, so I'll let me sitting there. But you go hard, man. You go hard, brother, man.
You want to go on with my general? I have a little plan, you know. Yeah, man, we have to make up a thing to get the half doing. Yeah, man, we have to work out a way to get the half doing, man. But yo, hear me, I say, ask me that go on, man.
Yeah, man. How are you, man? You know who say? Who want to enjoy himself, man? Eh? Why you say enjoy yourself now?
Well, you want to hear, man. Shopping. Get through with the money, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, what you talk about? You know, say that's how we work, man.
So give me money now, no?
Alright, we are come, man. We are come with it, man.
Why me not feel good?
Man, to you now.
Come to you.
Feel sick, man.
Then sit down,
You
man.
drink too much rum.
Yeah, deal with, man. Sit down, man. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, say, man. One to you.
Man, me not feel good, man.
John, no, eh?
Yeah, man, me sick, man.
So how long now you feel so, man?
Me not feel good, man.
You got to just lean back and easy, man. Lean back and easy, man. You got
Man, pain, man. No feel good. Turn bad, man. Feel
Right,
bad.
man. Take off your hat, man. Take off your hat, man. John, no, eh? Yo, just hear some, man. Hear some, man. Nobody.
Man, turn bad, man.
John, no. Shop it. Shop it. You don't know how to call it.
Jesus Christ.
You don't look on the counter.
No, me not have no, me didn't really say alcohol, no, me didn't even realize.
Yeah, no, yeah.
Call the ambulance, me not know for ambulance.
John, no, start. Easy, my brother. Easy, brother. Easy, brother. Hear me, I say, Shoppy. Hear me, I say, Shoppy. Give me room, Shoppy. Shoppy, give me room, Shoppy. My future room. Give me room. Just give me room, Shoppy. Yeah, man, I run more, Shoppy. Give me room. Yes, Shoppy. Yo, you go alright now, man. You go alright. Don't worry yourself, man. Alright. Yeah, man, you go alright. Room, come, man. Smell the room, man. Smell the room. Oh, smell the room, man. Smell the room. Smell it. Ah, smell it again, man. Smell it again. Ah, smell it again, brother. Smell it again. Ah, yeah, man. Smell it one more time. Ah. Watch out. Come in, man. Come in here, get a fresh breeze, man. I don't talk about, man.
You don't left the room, man. Yeah, left the room. Care room, man.
Oh, God. Ella. It's a good thing you chat. You go feet and care.
Yeah, man.
Stop it. You know what I said? I forgot the room. You know what I said? I want it to go through in my boss. Here. Yeah, man.
Oh, senior, how about water rain? Come on. Give me a bag.
Wow.
I say a bag look heavy. How was the day at work? You know, so I cook your favorite. As a matter of fact, my hair plan was short. I'm have a good evening plan for you today. Come on.
Yo, Jimmy! Yo, Jimmy! Jimmy the man. Jimmy!
Yo, General.
Come here, link boss. I got me.
You know, say I did me day upon a little, I did that thing.
So I got me.
That's the word. That's the word. They come on.
I am a boss. Link him up. Is it? Link.
So, babes, why you go to early this morning?
Babe, you know, say I have to just jump in on them early, man, cause that's how the thing go down, you know. Yeah, man, I jump in early, you know, I can go down and sit down and relax and ease myself, and then, you know, say in the evening time, I can left early too. You understand? Yeah, man, but I know, man, I soon forward, man.
Babe, nobody got no work today. Right now, I'm in a mood and, you know, so we are working on something for a long time. So come on, nobody got no work. Babes, you said I know. Come meet your road. Alright, may I come? Me know. Alright. You know, me to dinner, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, but more you hurry up and shower
Yeah.
and eat. Come here, something for you.
So I could have that I know, babes. What you have for me, I know.
It's for yourself, baby. You'll find out soon enough. James,
Go on, babes.
you have something to tell me?
What that? I don't know what you talk about. What you talk about now?
You sure about that?
Yeah, man.
James, what is this? Oh, so your son start your liberty now, you're dumb. You can't talk. Hi, sir. James, what is?
What days you have one paper flashing here? Oh, if you know what? I can't know what that. I just see paper flash.
You got that for your result. And you hide it from me. So, I don't mean this relationship, but you alone. Let me try to see. God, whatever I read on this paper, you have to be certain. You have to be sure about this. Come talk to me, come in if you know if what me see right, come in and read this with no glasses, you know. And fear you have carrot vision, 20-30 vision, something. No one, no. Talk.
Babes, you know, say, tell you the honest truth. I just forget to tell you. Because you want now, the day when me carry up, you know, when me come in with it, you never there, you're the Ghana market the day. So, and me come in with it and then now rain a fall. So, me just go put it down in there. And then now me have to go deal with the animal and now me say, you know that. But, so when me come back up, God know me never remember you, man. But me never do hide it from you, man. Me have to show you it. Me have to show you that, man.
You see what your results say? Me don't even know if me I see right to granny back foot. No, sir? 0.00. Them are zero longer than my bank account number to granny. No, sir?
Yeah, you don't have to go on, so man. Take time to talk, no, man. I don't like they say we don't have no chance. We still have a chance, and you have to have faith in, man. We still have a chance, man. Nobody go on, so man, I make it look so, man. I make it look bad all for me, too. You don't have to make me look so bad, babe, man.
But James, we have planned this for years. Mornings, sleepless nights, all this.
You want me, I know, babe. The sun I get red from where, so. So make it grow now back for a reason, now cool shit.
Take a picture.
Yes, just want you know, say, I know hide me eye not the front, you know. Yeah, me have it, but here want now. And me know what go on, and me know, say, a long time we have planned this thing. God know me, I tell you, so me never know how to put it here when we get it. Yeah, but me just you want to find a right time and the right place and space, you know, if you make you know the right thing. And but I don't hide nothing from you, man. And we'll make it thing happen. Yeah, we'll make it happen, man. Anyhow we can make it happen, we'll make it happen.
Make it happen. Them a 0 and long, a 0-0 at the lower piece of chance. So much, look much pill we take. Where we have to go now? At that baby? At this low, you know?
But babes, you can't just give up, so man. You can't just give up, so you know. Remember say all the reverend to come pray for we and something, you know, man. We can't just give up, so man. We have our roots, can't drink to, you know. And the herbal doctor then we can't check to, you know. We can't give up, so man.
James,
We give up, so man.
you know, look how long we are in a relationship now. You know, say it was I'm a dream to become a mother. Me go college, me focus, me do everything step by step, take it easy. Everything for become a mother. And this now, I wonder if I punish me.
But I just, you know, I don't.
James, let me ask you a question. Suppose I couldn't have no pitney and you want a son, your last opportunity to have a son. What you would do?
Come on, babe. if I that is the case, we done married already, you know. So, I would just forget that and move on.
That's all lie. Oh, no wicked, so man. You mean for tell me, so you not get a son yet and show me can't have pitney, you gonna stay with me? Oh, no wicked and lie, no? Hold that.
No, babe, so you go on, some man. Calm down, man. You tell you if you have faith in a man. Calm.
Yo, Stefan. Hello? Yeah, maybe I wonder if I can call link you later. Alright.
Yes, Rev. Yeah, man, afternoon, man. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, she's here, man. Yeah, I'm aware of it, man. She's here, man, and all that we're here, man. A matter of fact, we just want to say a whole little reason to, so we're here, man. Yeah, a matter of fact, I'm going to remind her right now, too. Alright, yeah, man, thank you very much.
What going, Chris?
I'm there, and where say I go with. Long time I don't see you, you know. Thing good here.
So what happened? You don't miss me?
Boy, I be right now to let you miss everything about you. Too long I don't see you, it's like you move off my face and earth, you know. Too long I don't see you. And so I realize say you live comfortable happy life, you know, so you can't say certain, you know, so you just go and hold me one down.
You know, say, I some problem I had on my yard, but I don't want your help. For a long time I work for it, it's like, nah, happen.
No, so but this not sound good. So you live happy married life and have problem in it?
Even happy marriages have problem, and not everybody perfect. As a matter of fact, me and James good, but I want a problem we have down our yard, and I not go to her go ask anybody because I don't trust them like that. I did best so I can come to you, come ask you about this problem, or I can help me with this problem.
No, you still not tell me a problem because you still a grow and come around like I said, a burden upon your head. So tell me a problem because if you can't be more to help you, you know, so just tell me a problem.
Alright. For a while now, me and James I try make a family. Right, so we take medication, we go doctor, we take all kind of thing, and it's like it not work. So I just come to you now to see if you can help me out, because I don't know what else to do, who else to turn to but you. Previously on pregnancy test. What is this? Oh no, wicked so man.
Come on, man, take me there, start talk. Come on, my girl, because you go say no man, I play place, you know, so we need to work, you know. I say things set, you know. Yes, Rev. Yeah, man, afternoon, man. Yes, sir. Hey, Sash. Well, you know, say it's a girl put in there, you know. You understand? I'm going to name her Tommy still, you know, because certain things set in.
Listen, Chris, or Stephanie, any one of them I want to refer to know, we had a deal. We do this and it's done. No string attached. There will never be a me and you again. There's a big difference. I passed that. Whatever happens, just keep it a secret. I don't need to hear nothing else about it. I don't need to talk to you about this again. I did enjoy myself last night. As me start so. As me start so. I'm done. Why? But I'm not concerned about it. The thing, say so much more.
you're not going to eat a little breakfast and I look bored around there. All the tea around there are cold, you know.
Can you say something I do? You can't talk that when I come in, you know.
But babe, you don't want the tea free and the breakfast, the cold out around there, man. You better you come get it hot. But anyway, still, since I say, that can't work.
I said early the man who did smoke ganja, man. No, man. I only pan. Yes, me see what I know. You can find something you should do, man. You should do, man, one week. Find something, man.
Morning, sir. So who you? God, you see you just up like you're a pastor with Bible in your hand. Pastor supposed to approach people better than that, you know. So, I don't understand you. You come out say you do godly work and them the way you talk to people, man. I don't understand you.
Good morning. I'm sorry, sir. I apologize to you, you know. So, I invite you to church, no? I invite you to church, you know, so when you come to church, instead of you sit down, remind me, pass me, see you there, rub your little weed and things. So instead of you sit down, so now, come to church. Right, sir?
Man again, Pastor. Never question for you, you know. See? Suppose when you did young, you have a girl, and a man take him away from you. See? Turn around, married her. See? Leave a house with her and thing, and when you check it, that man now come round a pop style upon your road and then wait there. You know? Then the CMB now I come back to you to get her pregnant. I hold on the pastor, I left out something to you know. See? I don't want the man no want to breed her, you know. See? I can't breed her. See? What you done do, pastor? Just tell me. Tell me what you done about that. Come in and know me. Just tell me.
See, when we was a young boy, I take our man and breed our man. No, in my church, I preach God word, I'm mother with that. Right? You see that situation you find out to me, my youth, if I know, I have nothing to do with that. Right? No.
But babes, you know what I like when you look so, you know. You know, she say, you hear one touch up, man.
James, is that sweet, man?
You have got touch up a little more, man. I want to see here a flash around me, you know. You hear?
I'm not talking, man. I'm not in a heat. So anything I do inside, go and work inside. You know what you want to.
Yes, you know, say from what you want to talk to you. Yeah, man, because you know, say you give me one attitude from what you and I wonder, I want me to you. Can't talk to me for anything, you know, man. I remember say, if I don't know if I look a result thing, I make you either stir up still. But anyway, remember say, Pastor will come still, so I can come pray for you and give you a couple counseling. You understand? So, if I that, I'm going to make your head worry too much over that, yeah. Well said, Pastor, man. Well said, because that the answer me I look for still, you know. You know? Because guess what? You're not even in a situation, so you can't say anything. See? But to tell you the truth, that I go on, so that's why I have to go and burn my herbs in and go and all medicine.
No, man, you don't have to burn no way. Now invite you to church. Me can show you a better way, man. Right? Come to church.
Yeah, man, me here. So, I went off your church, and which part of your church I keep you now?
Right down at Broughton Road there. Nice square there. Right, sir?
Yeah, man, me here, Pastor.
James, I don't really think I understand, you know. I swear I don't think I understand how I feel. Right now, I'm not in a mood, so just go back inside, yeah? Let me see if I can face it. Peace, man, peace and quiet. Please. Do you think the pastor can help we, you know what we do?
Be, one thing in here too negative, you know. You're not so negative, you know. Because you want now. We have a lot of things can work, you know, a lot of things can happen. We have mental things, we have art. Yeah, Pastor. Yeah, man, welcome, man. Welcome, man. You can come inside, man. Come out of the sun, Pastor, man. Yeah, man, have a seat. Have a seat.
So what do you know, man?
Good,
You know that, everything alright?
Pastor, we there, you know. We there going easy, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we just there going enjoy the cool breeze. I just can't see sun hot, you know. So, you know, if you're there, we just go and hold it, you know. Yeah, man.
That's good, man. That's good. That's good. Right, man, right. I understand nobody could issue a guan, right? So we show it to me, you what guan.
So, babe, you want me to tell him or you want to tell him?
Tell him.
Yes, Pastor. You want to know? A long time we are trying to start a family, Pastor. Long time we there, we try everything, and it just not work out how we want it to work out.
Pastor, you need to put half of the story. So when you first start talk, you usually drink rum, you smoke all the soda, them in the panel like water, and nobody couldn't talk to him. See then now, and he make me can't get pregnant. I notice sun change in the bedroom. Normally, James, if you're honest with yourself for what I see, for you start smoke and drink up and sitting them, you're different, you change. There's a two. If me can't feel it, you can't feel it because you're body.
What's nothing know about that, man? What that? You have to go so far in, I think.
Let me talk. You want Pastor to come here? So let me talk in peace. You want me to breathe in peace?
I'm not have to worry, man. I'm not have to worry, you know. Let's go easy, man, and things will work. You never try artificial insemination. Never try?
So, you know, no Christian, some Christian are supposed to against that. How you talk about artificial insemination?
The Bible don't have nothing to do with that.
As a matter of fact, I don't want to go the road there. I want to have everything natural. You can't. That's not in my league right now.
But if that you want, that's your choice.
I don't see how sitting here talking to this man I go help with anything. I don't even know if a man have pit me. James, I'm tired. I work for a morning. I need a shower. I want to cool off. I want to rest. I want to sleep. So I'm matter of fact, I'm going inside.
No babes enough here going some man. When Pastor come to talk to us. Pastor no watch that yam.
You have to be careful with that woman there, no? That boy, that woman there, if you don't mind, somebody will agree with you.
Yes, Pastor. So you see you leaving now?
Yes, sir.
Alright, sir. Take care of yourself.
Have a good evening.
Alright, sir. And you too. And the rain are coming up, Pastor. So hurry up and make it catch you, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. You have to travel with them, brother, when you are coming.
I do, man. Like you rain how far with you. I see if I can't reach you before it rain.
You know them time, you know, Pastor. Yes, Pastor. Hurry up, man. Have a good evening.
Yeah.
Chris, at 2 weeks now, you know, I know I can't see no stitch down. As a matter of fact, I just take a pregnancy test. I wait on the result. Negative. So you know what that means? We have to do this again.
Well, alright. So what you say, Adi? You come check me and check you.
We arrange the time, man. Me call you. Alright.
Alright, look a bit there. Yeah. Cool. B, how are you in the salon, man? How are you going with? How are you do? In the salon, man.
Then I just tell us I never beard. Handle my head.
B, me out there with the pastor for about 45 minutes to an hour, you know. Yeah, man, but me I say, I look here when me talk to you about you going in there and touch up. Why you not easy, you know?
What happened? You want to see? I feel I was sitting there, I can't take from the door.
So, I don't feel your house too. My hair look nice too.
That's all I like.
So, you know, I like everything about you a long time, I don't know.
Go play till you can prove it. I grew up a real good angel, so come back.
Why you too? You say you're tired. I say you're going to road. Ain't no easy.
How you tax them there? Sure. What time place that? Cause you come like say place that go like pan we know. Tell me can look so.
Girl, from other day I try to get pregnant and at 2 weeks now I don't see no symptoms, nothing. I don't know what to do. I even take a pregnancy test and it's negative. But so I know sometimes they must think I'm not accurate. Boy, I just feel like I give up on this whole being a mother situation.
You know what I say? Since I say I take a pregnancy test and it come negative, you can try after 5 days time and see what you say. When I try to get pregnant, and 1 month before I start seeing any symptoms, every minute as I want to go to the bathroom, go vomit, and a big green man come want to yeah, only for something, yeah, man. But I can't give up on being a mother. And I tell you already, just try pregnancy test 5 days after and you see a result. But so one taxi will come. Taxi! Taxi! Anyway, also, I'm going to trust yourself, right? Take it easy, because you know say pastor you only got me to work. But what you can do is, me tell you for experience, you can blend up some juice game, you can as me did I say, you can blend up some juice game, you can switch up your position them. Because you can't go on with the one bag of same position them, you have to switch them up. But anyways, me run go up so I hear me link you. Alright, thank you. Later.
GMs. I'm going to do a lock. I'm going to finish it, please.
Go on.
Oh yeah, girl, like you go out so.
Yeah, I say baby man, then you call me there, I wait for you. Right now I have to move go to the road, you know, because I have something I have to deal with.
No, B, you can't leave, you know, so we have something to deal
You want to know, what I have to deal with is very important. So I have to go up the road. What we have to do, you can't deal with the come on, man. I soon come back. I have to spend more like at least 1, 2, 3 hours deal with that. So I have to deal with that. I have to come back 3 hours. Soon come back, man. We can't deal with that. Come back, man. Here.
Really? Like really?
How about this? Yo, where you going with that now?
James says I'm not going for 2 to 3 hours, so you have to come now.
No man, I can't link you for your yard, man. You're mad, man. Say no spam, man. You don't know spam yourself, sir.
Wow, you're not going to trick him. I wonder how you're not going to trick him.
Sash.
Ratted. Hey! All husband included in there. No, they want to too nice, my God.
Yeah man, like right now.
Alright. Yeah man, give me 5 minutes, me I come. Yeah man. Alright.
Aye.
That was my phone there. Yeah, I left it down there to start. Yeah, no. I gate, once I set the gate up. She go on with it. So yeah, how fast you pass this? All you do a lot. Sash! Sash! How I go on in there? Sash! Never go for Mr. Pass me, man. Come on.
Yeah, you don't love your life. You know, you say, man, when there's a you want to pass. What is that going with you? Run, go on.
Sash! So you have to do all that, man. Then how fast you pass there?
I uncle also pass, man. You put on boot and gone.
So, damn money, man. So, I am the fall the gate up, man, and sitting there. And then something ain't going with all the while, you know. And go upstairs and have a good boat thing going with in there, you know. Anyways, you want my phone, I come back for you, know. You don't see it in there.
Sit here.
Alright, baby. Thank you very much. Anyway, now go back on the road, you know. So what's that? We're going to take you here. Alright, have a good evening.
Oh, yeah, pass me, so. Call me, not see what I go on.
Nah, man, I say, man, I'm for that. I'm my father, I'm go down the road, so I go check, man. I'm tell you something, top car and Barry, because my father name, so. Omar, my name, here.
From my idea, my name. I call you Barry. You can't let it go now, man.
Here. So, how deal with otherwise?
But they know, but I was at some amount of control and I pick them at the tree.
I saw you hot all the while, man. The people in charge of it and then tree. Anyway, I'm my father, I'm going to give you one link and go stand forward there. Because remember, it's something you have to deal with for me. Yeah, man, I come back and check you later.
What kind of thing that you talk about?
Can't talk about that on the road now, man. Look more, I come check you.
Call me. I'm a number no change.
John was star. He for saying the party shot last night, me J. I tell him, my brother, girl dash way down there like nothing. I'll see you look friend down the road and see how she get hot, brethren. Look short up, finish her and pan her to wind up and one other thing she a go on with that.
Yeah, man, all I go on, you know, genius, you see. You see her, you know. Sometimes you have to go on easy, because you don't know, man, loaded, you know. Sometimes you have to go and steal from people.
Yo, I can't even know, you know, man, me well want to reach, you know. Like a thing go good, though, man.
Yeah, man, a good vibe, man.
Yeah, no, man. You know, see, I show me up on a little program still, me give me a try to deal with some things and make it go right way. Believe me, yo. I'm sorry, say me miss the party, you know, man, like, John know me, brother.
Daddy! Daddy! Boy, Daddy is coming like he nah work good, you know, man. I tell him, man, say he want to hear me, he nah hear me, you know. You wanna say the daddy, man? Yeah, give me a call, you, man. Oh, yeah, work hard, man.
Yeah, man.
Give me the spirit, man, I do it to you, man. Oh, yeah, say, man, I do the thing to you, man.
Alright, man.
Go and go sit down and eat yourself, man. Remember, say you don't feel too good already, you know, man.
Yeah, man.
See, same thing I tell you, see there. And then something I tell you, say, I cause the problem in that day, man. See there. And then sit there, because the problem, and then I make you sick, you know, man. And then something I make you sick, you some more money you have to spend for medication, man. And the doctor tell you, say, you don't have to burn nothing, you smoke nothing, daddy. Daddy just here, you know, man.
Alright.
I'll go and rake up your yard for you still, here.
Alright.
Go and sit down and easy, man.
Come back.
Yes, daddy.
I'm going to cool off, yes, sir.
Alright, man.
Alright.
Yo, my brother, you know, we are there with still in our way up to our way you going with how you're feeling about. Right now, brethren, I say everybody I get rich out of the game, brethren, everybody a chop line right now, watch there. That me pull down what there, you know, fight for you and look funny. Me and you feel in the thing and mash up the thing and they burn up the road and I'm G.
Boy, you know,
know, say me G, I don't really say boy I don't want to do the thing, but you know, say in your life you have to think twice about them things. You see, so boy I would have to really consider it. You can't just say yes. I go jump to conclusion and just do it. You see, I have to give it a thought.
John, no, brother, me and you for the bun up the road in the J. Because watch out, right now we think fitting all we want is a phone, you know. We don't know your thing fitting, brother. You have no phone on there and you have good dark game, you know. You know, if you get up in the people and reset it, you know. That's all it taking, brother, right? Anything easy, you know. I'm gonna have them saying that them palm right, you know, with you side of me, that everything turn up, you see me? So right now, we want to get to see together. Step forward and bridge and I will do the work. You see me?
You know, so I not too know about the thing, me G.
Them man there can show me, brother, what you talk about, man. Right now, there and brother, see evidence right in front of your eye there, you know.
Boy, if your little work program now go nowhere, no, brother. No way. You need to come over here, so, brother. Come join the game, brother.
Man, over here, so they go on, brother. Nothing over there, so, brother. Everything I keep over here, so. See, there's a phone, get the right.
Wow, you mash up before daddy, man.
Yeah, man.
Me play it, man. How you say, man?
Me last to talk to you, brother.
Daddy, you know, me and them man, the thing come now, man. Me and them man, you know, too deal, you know, daddy. Yeah, man, them man, you know, go on too good when them ready, you know. Every person, you know, them rum, you know, daddy. Every day, me talk to them, man, they pay badness, them a chuck, you know, daddy. Me know they on the badness thing like them, you know, daddy. All them pray are just with gang and gun and all them things, daddy. You know my thing different, you know.
Omar, are your brother, you know. You have to be easy with the man go and talk to him, you know. Because boy, when you check it out,
Daddy, all what go on, you know. I know me fit talk to him, you know. And I tell you the truth, because you want now, you see when we are boy, and him no used to praise, you know.
no, man.
And him no used to give everything, you know.
Never used to praise no boy, no, man. Now, none of you, right? We love you the same way. Don't hold on, we love you the same way, right?
Why you wouldn't remember, you know? But me remember, you know. Yeah, man, and him no used to give first preference. So him supposed to be around here right now. Him supposed to be around here right now more than me, you know. And me there come here and do all kind of thing around here, you know. That man supposed to be there, you know. Yeah, daddy, but here one now. I know me I go talk to him, yeah, man. Somebody else have to talk to him, yes, sir.
Alright, sir. Omar! No answer. Omar!
Yo, I saw them a bill of dear, I saw them a bill of gone up, man. Watch all the light bill, man. So they expect you old man to pay all them money. 50,000. My God. Daddy! Daddy!
What?
Daddy there, man.
You there, man?
How around I see them, man.
Yeah, man.
Yo, me that something that tell us if you tap bunny grabber, man.
That's true, man.
You know, say I see him to make quite a fair buy some medication for you, man. And he's sitting in there, you know, man.
Just a little drum here, tipping, man. I soon tap, man.
Daddy, you have to hear, you know, man.
Yeah, man.
Daddy, I'm not sure we don't want nothing I'm you know, man. You understand? Because watch out, all the light bill and see all the light bill come here, you know. And the light bill high, you know, how you pay them money?
I always look at a pension, you know. Pension is supposed to can go and do a thing.
Why a pension can't nothing, Daddy? The last time you get a pension, you know, man, you remember saying that him chicken back he could him buy?
That's true, man. That's true.
Say that can't work, man. And me have to go deal with Daddy, man. Come, Daddy, man. Give me a sitting where you have, man. You see all the medication you have to take now, man.
Yeah, man.
Come, man. Come, man. Nobody do them a sitting here. Them a sitting here, I'm a shut down in a man. See
That's
medication, them have, see them have for your take, man. Come in, man. Come on, man. We get some water and something, man. Make I get the medication, them, man. I want you, man. You want sick out, man. We don't want to lose there, no, man. Come, man. Wait. Just not. How deal with?
We are going with General.
You know, say, you me a look for man, everything good.
Yes, sir. You know, some there, man.
Are you me a come check
Alright,
in, man?
forward it, man.
So how deal with that, Rasta?
There, you know, my General. We are going with.
There, man, I hold them, you know. Everything
You know,
good.
some there, I clip off and look a piece of weed. Just see
See him there.
piece of I want to sell a piece of it still, you know.
Yeah, no.
Sitting, you know, man.
That one that smell good, you know, brother. Yeah, man, yo. Look on the weed, man. Yo, weed look good, G.
Yeah, man, I'm bad sitting, man. I'm bad around the place, man, right?
Yeah, no, but yo, why I know Rasta? You know, say, I don't really know weed more to buy still, you know.
For real.
Yo, I business more and go in, you know, G.
Okay, then.
Yeah, man, because you want me, you know. So I know say you run off your thing, G. And if me I do a little work down at the hotel, dog, and I tell you, say, I lose a little work, brother. That's what I deal with. So, you see through that, you know, I have to try sit in general. But I try to juggle the curves, dog, and less time this.
Yeah, man, alright.
And then I go on extra diet, my brother, alright?
No, sir, alright.
Alright, better I try this, brother. You know, 9 pitney me get in a dog. Yeah, man, so me have youth them out the G, so watch out now. I business more going on.
So I like alright time I forward, you know, my General. You see the strain of weed I saw what tangy weed, brother. I tell you, you know, it depends on price, you know, brother. I tell you, you know, then weed there, you know, top 70,000, then weed there go for a whole heap of artists pass through and buy them weed. You know, bun them weed there, you know, General. It's a different meds they get, you know, brother. Feel like I want to lift up and do things, you know.
So like that the one there, boy, them one on the beach, you know.
They don't know, you know. Bomb strain them, you know. So anyway, still me, you know. You see me? A long time me I grow them weed that still in my General. Some kush weed, you know. Take a while to build the strain, but I build up here, you know them way. Yeah, man, I have you hit around the place, you know, you know. So, can't bust up on a thing, man, but I'm right, you know, because when I done clip up the weed that on the road, me I go, you know. Busy right now, you know, so you don't know, you know. They have to link me back tomorrow for that thing, you see me?
Alright, my general, no say a word, you know. Morning we link up, see?
Alright.
Flow, so yo, what you say? You say me can't keep a piece of land.
Dear man,
Yo,
don't know,
yo,
yeah,
do I smell general?
Hold that, man.
Ah, no, respect here. Alright. Daddy?
Yeah, man.
You say I move, you know.
Alright, sir.
Yeah, man, so everything alright with you?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, so more food in there, so, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, they're on the stove.
Right.
Yeah, man, and you have to take your medication, them, you know.
Yeah, man.
Remember, you know, no guy, you better not take them, you know, and drink water with them. You hear, sir?
Right, sir.
And daddy,
Yeah, man.
you know, I go there, you know.
Right.
So, yeah, man, say, you see, you grab away your smoke. You can't hear what you do now. No bother about no more, man, because you want no daddy. I hit and make you sick, you know.
Yeah.
There's some more medication we have for your body, daddy. Alright, do me a beg you, man.
Alright, sir. You can do that, man. Your brother, are you going there? Get it?
So what going on, daddy?
Yeah, man.
So I make you go along, so man, I know say you have to make smart nice, man. If you see me I come, I know say, yo, me I come through, you know, man. How are you, man?
That's
I show that to you. Well, I say you don't look for nothing.
You better know look about some food, man. You can't get food, man. Food is there.
Food. Hey, yo, hear me now, say. Daddy, what kind of food you tell him, man, about, man? What kind of food you talk about, man? Yo, you feel your food coming, you know? From man, you know, there, you know, G. From all that, I come out there, I know this year, you know, I come out and I rake up here, I do everything I for daddy, you know, I don't see you know. So when you there? I'm gone all about pan road and I figure around my youth and you come talk about food. Yo, if food when I left in there for daddy, brother, me cook that for him. I don't want a man trouble that, brother.
Calm down, man.
Yo, from coming, I don't see you, brother. And see you from coming, we even talk. Yeah, I walk around, brother. I don't want nothing to do with you, brother. Daddy, me address,
Man, calm down, you know.
So where this for? Furthermore, I don't even have to name where you cook, you know. How do you feel like me have a fool or nothing? We can't go
yo,
fight.
listen, you have to poison you for poison, you know. I tell you that, you know. You don't feel nothing out there, brother. Nothing, you know, you know what I mean, that's all. Yeah. Food when you have to daddy or that, me I try to tell them, you know, I know.
My brother, no, man. Live good, man.
You see me a chat about it, you see me a tell you, man. You see me there, man, I mean, I deal with this man, and this man come flip up himself by me like him a pray for war, me and him a pray for do me see.
Daddy food that in there. Cook your own food.
You see this man come and just behave like some hot girl. And man
this
leave
boy
my
can
talk
talk
to
about a hot girl, man. I want to tell you what, Yo, you know, say, this man for all this, say, yo, you know, say, nah, yo. Daddy, you know, I'm sure daddy there in a youth. Yo, I'm not this in a youth.
Sure, you can't all go on by your business now. I'm not response here, I'm not business about here, I'm be a talk, you talk.
Yo, you don't even know in a youth. Daddy, you know, I come go up the road, you know. Coming in and up with a boy, you know, for me, this, you know.
Why? You don't behave on yourself, you know, man. I can't understand the youth, you know, my youth. You don't behave on yourself, man. Right, brother, you know, man. Behave on yourself. And take life easy. Right, sir?
Boy, daddy, them man, they are idiot, man. Them man, they are alright, you know.
Alright, sir.
Omar, hold on there. Why you look stressed out? So what to you?
Ah, man, I'm good, man.
Me different. Me know when something bad at you.
Ah,
Just spill it. Me know. What to you?
Why, nothing can pass you. You know, say, I'm a little brother around the yard still. Pay nice around here, make after a man gone, you know, do nothing around the yard. Nothing at all, the boy not do in the yard. And because I know cook all food and all them things for my father, the boy I come look, I come talk about him want food all type of. And daddy have a heart, I go tell him, say, go and go eat food all type of. So, you know, God know me just get vexed and move, you know. I understand. Alright, no father, if daddy run and them feel too good, I'm a talk fact to that make it worse, you see.
Now what I worry about him, you know say saying Tana. But as I talk about your father, you know say mommy just give me some porridge to give your father. Anyways, I notice you not even call me again. You just dash more so. How you find you man?
Right, no Kim, we can't bother with you and your...
You go on. You say it's sweet, yo. All one time as I look for my phone, so I could have swear a phone call for you. No.
Rest that you know, yeah, man. Just rest that. So, anyway, how your mother?
She good, you know. She alright.
Alright, just yell her for me no go because I don't get to see her, you see?
Alright.
Alright, I see her word.
Barrington! Barrington!
Hello.
What go on? You know say some porridge mommy make figure your father.
Oh, Kim. Come. Looking fine today though, Kim.
So me look so every day.
Yeah, you know, see, I always look like that. That's why me I admire you. I love to be more than friends, you know?
No. No put it no further. No. Nobody go this. So. As I say, I look a pride me carry come give your father and you me buck up you now. But that's what he knows say, mommy send the porridge for me.
My girl ain't have to worry about porridge, man. That's alright. Just I tell her so well I look fine, you know? I would love to be more friends with this, you know?
You know what? Just stop. You know see your brother really need to live good. And that's the tone all one I know. When you really need to live good.
Just tell them mother respect for your thing, man. Because right now you just pass your place with me, you know? Because right now you're going on family business where nothing to do with you. That not have nothing to do with you, darling. You better you just take your time and go and come. I don't want me to live good, I don't want me to have nothing here. So you better you just take a little time and go.
Sometimes I have to listen, I know. Sometimes I have to just listen. But go and see him here. Look where this I go put you. Just look.
You're alright, you know. I don't know can go on to you, man. I don't know how someone know how to behind closed doors. Someone know how to go on like say everything good with my life and be a know how to do. So I don't have time for someone to say,
And action.
I saw you out here wash, man. So you out here wash without brush and all and something.
Action.
So my girl, so you feel out here wash without brush and all and something. I saw you wash. I see you here last time, you know, the whole of your pants foot them dirty, you know. All the digging color, I shut them same way. The whole of it nasty up same way, you know, like say, you feel wash without brush, my girl. So hold on, you just look over your whole place. Are you me to talk to you, know?
No, then me have to look. Cause I could never me attack with them at tone of voice there.
Right now, I hear gimmicks and hear foolishness, you know. Because I see him tell me go out one day, go up on our pharmacy one day and go buck the woman, one lady, and she tell me, say, how come my shirt color so black? And me I feel look at her and I said, boy, I can't believe. And when I go take the shirt go in the bathroom, when the whole of the shirt color black up for show, I was so embarrassed. God know. I have to leave the place same time and try to go find next shirt put on. You can't do them things, my girl.
You know why you say nothing to me, you know? Because you see a man can wear the shirt them and tell them put them back in the same basket with the clean clothes they in. So you feel say them clothes they clean. Look at don't bother me, don't upset the spirit, man. But you got a pharmacy. You can't get your dog, you can never give him to wash it. Huh?
Yeah, me know. I know foolishness and for argument, you know, because it look like it's an argument you want, you know. Just hold them there and deal with them for me. I'm soon forward and I go out the road.
Damn football no like this. You know when me a do video. Come on, me like it. No, sir. Better see it. Keisha! What's that girl? Where you call me for? What I road me live, man? Come up in the yard. Oh, Lord. Where you beg now? Girl, me not beg nothing. You come back, huh?
Awa, what make you so aggressive? Awa, you never get nothing last night. You don't look so. Anyways, I phone charger me come borrow.
Tell us you come for me tell you. You don't have money there, my yard. Anyways, you don't know my charger, you know. Anytime I notice that, I mash up. Then take you away. And then just malice somebody. Or malice me because they don't want to give me the charger. But, I go in if I carry back, I hell and powder house. Remember me tell you.
Liberty come through carelessness, you know. Anyhow, me never put on my charger careless up a yard. I would have to come down and come bury a charger for you deal with me, so. Anyways, I'm not going away with a charger. Because many people in the hot water. I charge my phone down here.
You ever in the hot water? I wonder what kind of hot water you in and now.
Why mama aggressive this morning though?
Give me your phone, I'm going to put it on charge.
Why mama aggressive today, man? A wagwan.
What you say now? So what kind of mix up your hair people in there now?
Girl, they up here that cost about how money missing. And that type of stuff, man, I see me take it.
Yeah.
No, man, me serious spirit, man. You should put out the money, then put it on that mattress side. And somebody take you out. Hold up, you can leave that wallet. I have your wallet. Yeah, you can't see that.
Come laugh out all the laugh, I laugh right now in the car. I don't know, how was it, sir?
The bitch is like a cloud.
Like what?
It's like rain over fall.
Rain over.
I can look, see you. So you're ready now?
Wait, man.
I got to make after scene.
Bloopers.
So ready now, mama?
Wait. I will say last. What is
Laugh
the
till
last?
him bad. Man, say, you look all over the place and you might talk to. I want to make you look all over the place. So, that's the thing, say, no, I could have never me talk to.
Then me say no. Then me have to look. I could have never me talk to them. That's one of it.
Action.
You hear me I say? See some more something, you know. Yeah, just deal with them for me, you know. I go out on the front, I go buy something and come in back. But yeah, me I say, do me I beg you. Just deal with the thing then good for me, man. Because I can't take your embarrassment. Here.
must my pay this.
No, son.
Where you call out my name for? Me not live a roadside, you know. Come up in the yard, man.
Son.
Where you call me for? I'm not the road me living now. Come up in the yard, man.
Come then if you come bury a charger. Yeah, deal with me so. Ras. No one and
Son.
Give me one.
No. Action.
So you say I go on now, can I miss up paying people?